Welcome everyone, I'm Jonathan, XPS Product Specialist. No matter what type of powersport vehicle you ride, we're going to show you the easiest way to keep it sparkling clean, down to the smallest detail. XPS Multi-Surface and Glass Cleaner will have your vehicle shining like new every time you head for the water, mud, trail, or snow. And it'll do it in a fraction of the time, meaning you get more time to ride. It's as easy as spraying and wiping, and it's safe for almost any surface on the vehicle, including glass, dash displays, steering wheels, lights, and much more. So the multi-surface is the perfect product for a showroom touch-up. So before you start, you want to make sure there is no solid residue on the surface. So get all that caked mud, dust, salt, or whatever you rode in last time off with the mud and dust and give it a good rinse. With the major grime removed, we can spray on the multi-surface and glass cleaner and let it get to work. It'll remove a fine layer of dust and grime, leaving you with an absolutely spotless finish just about everywhere on your vehicle. Beyond that initial shine, the XPS Multi-Surface and Glass Cleaner's polymer-based solution leaves an invisible protective layer behind. This protective finish left behind actually helps repel dirt, dust, water spots, making future cleanings that much easier and faster. This is a must-have and the best help you can get to keep your used vehicles looking like new. Be sure to check out the full XPS vehicle care and maintenance lineup on xpslubricants.com. Thank you for watching.